Welcome. Let's use these next few minutes to ease into a state of deep relaxation, helping the mind and body shift into sleep mode. To start, lie down comfortably on your bed. Let your arms and feet fall apart naturally and softly close your eyes. Bring your attention to the breath, allowing it to naturally slow down and soften as you relax. Follow the gentle rhythm of your breath, noticing each inhale and each exhale. Allow your mind to become quieter, letting your attention synchronize with the slow, steady rhythm of the breath. Now let's shift the focus from the breath to the body. Breathe into both feet, starting with the toes. Extend the breath into the soles of the feet, then the tops of the feet, feeling the sensations here and allowing your feet to soften with each breath you take. Become more and more relaxed. Now, slowly move your focus up to your legs, breathing into your calves, bringing your awareness to your knees, and then to your upper legs and thighs. Draw your breath into both of your legs, releasing all tension as you relax into your mattress. Now, bring your focus to your hips, pelvis, and glutes, tuning into the sensations in this part of the body. Circle your awareness around this area, breathing in a soft, relaxing breath and allowing it to spread through this region. Let your entire lower body feel heavy and weighted. Now breathe into your back, bringing awareness to your lower back and then your upper back, noticing how the muscles feel and becoming aware of any tension. If you find any tightness here, breathe into that area, letting the tension dissolve. Allow your back to relax and feel heavy with each breath you take. Sink fully into the mattress beneath you, releasing all tension. Bring your attention to the stomach and chest now. Allow the stomach and chest to gently expand and contract. Let all tension float away with each exhale. Breathe in calm, soothing energy. Breathe out total relaxation. Now shift your awareness to your neck and shoulders. On your next inhale, breathe into this area. And on your next exhale, feel all the muscles there soften. Notice if any tightness or tension is present, and if so, breathe calming energy into that area. With each breath you take, sink deeper into relaxation. Now draw your attention through the length of your arms and hands, breathing in, feeling all the sensations in your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrists, your hands, and your fingers. When you exhale, feel any tension drain away. Feel this whole area relax more and more deeply with each breath. Shift your attention to your face now, relaxing any tightness here. Bring the gentle, healing breath to the mouth and jaw, softening this area. Let the tension between your eyebrows smooth out and relax. Then let your eye muscles release, letting all the tension drain away from the face. Allow your head to feel heavy, surrendering its weight to gravity. Let your whole body relax completely, allowing any remaining tension to dissolve with each breath you take. Feel your body becoming heavy and weighted. Each inhale relaxing and soothing all of your muscles, releasing all the tension. Allow sleep to come in its own time. This moment of relaxation is perfectly restful on its own. Focus your attention on your calm body. Enjoy the soothing, slow, rhythmic breath. Relish this moment. Relish this time of rest. Breathing in, relaxing the body. Breathing out, letting go. Breathing in, relaxing the body. Breathing out, letting go. Breathing in, relaxing the body. Breathing out, letting go. Breathing in, relaxing the body. Breathing out, letting go. Sweet dreams.